Believe Israel did this. So in Ezekiel chapter 16, the Bible says that God found Israel and made her his husband, his wife, right? And he says, hey, I gave you fine linen. I gave you fine clothes. I gave you shoes. I gave you jewelry. I made you so beautiful that you became famous. But then he says the fame went to your head. The money went to your head and you turned on me. You disobeyed what I said. You start worshiping other gods. And God said that there would be judgment. That there would be consequences for the actions. But then you know what? God says, I remembered the covenant that I had. After my anger had passed, I remembered the covenant. I remembered the promise. And I remember that I loved you. So God restores them. He says, Israel, I will restore you back and I will give you back all those things. Listen, you may have turned on God, but God will restore because he loves us. Bye-bye, everybody.